Charlotte. This fall, I am so excited to launch my own fabric line called So Kind from Studio E Fabrics. I myself was born with a cleft lip and palate. See, there's me. That meant that I had the roof of my mouth and part of my lip missing, so I had to go through a lot of surgeries, procedures, and treatment. I found that it was really comforting to have something soft and cuddly to hold on to in the hospital, so I created Stitches by Charlotte. I now sew dolls for children who are going through the same things. I am so proud to announce my own fabric line premiering from Studio E Fabrics called So Kind. The fabric line will inspire the young and the young at heart to get behind the sewing machine and create something that is so cool. The fabrics are bright and fun and playful and will make anybody smile. I support Operation Smile, which is a global non-profit organization, so my line does too. Smiles, Charlotte.